25 smart home gadgets quietly taking over 2026. One has a mechanical arm that picks up your slippers. One replaces $300 of gear. None waste your time. Hit subscribe. I test this stuff so you don't waste money. Drop your guess for number 1 in the comments. Let's start at 25 with the cheapest pick on this list. Number 25. Aqara Door and Window Sensor P2, $30. Tiny matter over thread contact sensor that lives on your door frame for a year on one battery. Your door cracks open at 2 a.m., you get the alert instantly. At 24, Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro, $280. Install once, mount these along your roofline, and switch between warm white for Tuesday and full Christmas RGB for December from your phone. My neighbor thought I hired a crew. Number 23. Govee RGBIC Smart String Lights, around $80. 50 feet of addressable LED bulbs, each one programmable individually, so you can run waves, gradients, or full music sync across your patio. Installed mine under the deck rail, and now my backyard looks like a cocktail bar. At 22, Meter Plus, $100. Fully wireless meat probe that Bluetooths to your phone and tells you exactly when to pull your brisket. I've stopped overcooking chicken. Actually stopped. For life. Worth every cent if you grill weekly. Number 21. SwitchBot Hub 2, $90. This little square controls 80,000 old appliances through infrared. Your ancient AC, your 14-year-old TV, the fan from college. Suddenly, your dumb stuff listens to Alexa. Top 20. If any of these just solve the problem you didn't know you had, tap like. It helps the algorithm surface this video. Let's keep going. At 20, SwitchBot Curtain 3, $60. Clips onto your existing curtain rod and opens them on a schedule every morning. No hardware replacement. My bedroom curtains now open at 7 a.m. to literal sunlight. Best alarm clock I've ever owned. Number 19. Hatch Restore 3, $230. Sunrise lamp plus white noise machine plus alarm clock that wakes you with a 30-minute gradual sunrise, not a panic attack buzzer. 4 weeks in, my resting heart rate dropped 7 points. The sleep stories in the app are the unexpected hit. At 18, Govee Floor Lamp 2, $150. 60 inches tall, RGBIC with dual zone control so the base and pole light independently. Music sync mode pulses with your playlist. I switched it on during a dinner party. Somebody genuinely asked who installed the gallery lighting. Number 17. Petcube Bites 2 Lite, $130. Camera plus treat launcher. You're at work, you open the app, fire a biscuit across the living room from your phone. My dog now stares at the ceiling, waiting for snacks. At 16, Philips Hue White and Color Starter Kit, $200. Comes with the Hue Bridge and 2 smart bulbs. The bridge is the reason Hue still wins this category 8 years in. Hardwired backbone means zero lag, zero dropouts, syncs across every ecosystem. The gateway drug of smart lighting. Number 15. Echo Hub, $180. 8-inch wall-mounted dashboard for every smart device in your house. Mount it by the front door. Tap to lock up, kill lights, arm the alarm. Looks like a Tesla screen on your wall. At 14, Eufy Video Doorbell E340, $180. Dual cameras. One watches faces, the other watches the ground for packages, both at the same time. Porch pirates are visibly confused. No subscription required, local storage built in. Number 13. Rachio 3 Smart Sprinkler Controller, $200. Replaces that mysterious box bolted to your garage wall. It checks the weather forecast before watering, skips your schedule if rain's coming, and learned my lawn pattern in 2 weeks. My water bill dropped 38% last summer. That's not a typo. At 12, Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro 230. Retinal 2K sensor with 3D motion detection that draws an actual overhead map showing the path someone walked across your yard, not just motion detected at 2:47 a.m. 2,000 lumens of flood output. My delivery drivers have never been more polite. Number 11. SimpliSafe 8-piece wireless home security system 240. Base station, keypad, motion sensor, 4-door sensors, panic button. Covers an entire apartment or small house. No drilling, no wiring, no technician visit. Mine was armed in 17 minutes flat. Optional pro monitoring if you want it. Otherwise, pay $0 a month. Top 10. Tap like if this saved you research hours. Comment your guess for number 1. The next 5 are where it gets genuinely impressive. Top 10. At number 10, Nanoleaf Shapes Hexagons Smarter Kit, $200. 7 touch reactive wall panels you arrange however you want. Tap 1, they cascade colors across the whole layout. My office wall looks like a concept gallery. Also reacts to your music. Genuinely addicting. At 9, Google Nest Learning Thermostat, 4th Gen, 280. Larger solely radar display. It detects you walking toward it and lights up. Learns your schedule in a week. The included remote sensor keeps your bedroom at the right temperature, not whatever room the thermostat happens to be in. Number 8. Airthings View Plus, $300. Wi-Fi air quality monitor that detects radon, carbon dioxide, volatile organic compounds, particulate matter 2.5, humidity, and pressure. 6 things most people never test for in their own home. Radon alone is the second leading cause of lung cancer in America. You really want to know. At 7, Sense Energy Monitor, $300. Installs inside your breaker box and identifies every appliance by its unique electrical signature. Fridge compressor, dryer cycle, that one mystery drain. I found a 24-year-old pool pump costing me $40 a month. Paid for itself in 10 weeks. Number 6. Lockley Vision Elite Video Smart Lock, $400. A smart lock and a video doorbell in one unit. Fingerprint entry, motion-activated camera, 2-way audio, built-in solar panel so it never dies. Last year my neighbor installed one. The delivery driver asked who was watching. That's the product. Top 5. These are the ones I actually tell family to buy. Comment your guess for number 1. Hint, it cleans your house, but not how you think. Top 5. Number 5. Eufy SoloCam S340, $220. Solar-powered wireless security camera with dual lens and 360-degree pan tilt. 3K resolution, color night vision, no cables anywhere. The solar panel keeps it charged year-round. Install once and forget it exists. My backyard camera hasn't seen a charging cable since July. And 0 subscription fees. Every recording stays local. Most competitors charge monthly. Eufy doesn't. At 4, GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker, $600. App-controlled countertop machine that makes the soft, chewable nugget ice you can only get at Sonic or a hospital cafeteria. Makes 38 pounds a day. Sounds niche until you have it. Then you can't go back. Every drink you pour at home becomes 8% better. I know how that sounds. Number 3. Samsung 55-inch The Frame TV, $800. When it's off, it displays framed artwork on an anti-reflection matte display that genuinely looks like a painting. Guests walk in, don't realize there's a TV. When it's on, it's a 4K QLED with Alexa built in. This is how you get a 65-inch screen in your living room without making it the centerpiece. Wife approval factor, unmatched. At 2, Moen Flow Smart Water Monitor and Shutoff, $500. Clamps onto your main water line, detects leaks, and automatically shuts off the water before your basement floods. Saves thousands in repair costs the first time a pipe bursts. Most homeowners' insurance gives you a discount for installing it. My neighbor had one catch a leak while he was in Cabo. Zero damage. That's the product. All right, 24 gadgets down. Number 1 is already in people's homes, quietly doing something no robot vacuum has ever done. Ready? The number 1 smart home gadget of 2026 is the Roborock Saros Z70, $1,300. Reason 1. 5-axis mechanical arm picks up socks, slippers, and toys before vacuuming, then puts them back. First consumer robot that actually does this. Reason 2. Replaces 4 products in one: robot vacuum, mop, self-emptying dock, and the tidying you were going to do later. Reason 3. 22,000 Pascal suction, dual cameras, ultra-slim 3-inch body. Watching it pick up a sock, mop the floor, then dock itself, it feels like owning the future 5 years early. Buy one thing from this video, make it this. Which one are you buying? Comment below. Smash like if this saved you research hours. Subscribe. Next week, 15 outdoor smart gadgets that pay for themselves in a month. Final thought. Smart homes aren't about having everything. They're about removing the thing that annoys you every day.